Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jamaican rice and peas using convenient canned kidney beans. This guide will help you create an authentic flavor profile right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need 1 can of kidney beans, 1 cup of long-grain rice, and 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. We will also prepare some fresh aromatics to enhance the taste. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare them for cooking. Begin by thoroughly draining and rinsing your 115-ounce can of kidney beans. This step helps remove excess sodium and improves the overall flavor. Next, finely chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Grate a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. These aromatics will form the flavorful foundation of our rice and peas dish. With our ingredients prepped, it is time to start cooking. In a medium-sized pot, combine the rinsed kidney beans, chopped onion, garlic, and grated ginger. Pour in 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. Add 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, and 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then stir in 1 cup of rinsed long-grain rice. After stirring in the rice, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot tightly. Allow the rice and peas to simmer for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the liquid has been absorbed and the rice is tender. Once cooked, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Remember to carefully remove the Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme sprigs before serving your perfectly cooked Jamaican rice and peas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.